Welcome everyone to another episode of Jake's Speed Shop. Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a check engine light with only a piece of electrical tape. Now I'm in my personal vehicle, a 2013 Jeep Wrangler, but 60% of the time this trick works every time. It doesn't matter what vehicle it is. The first step is to go to your local auto parts store, Advanced, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Napa. It doesn't really matter which one, most of them will read your codes to you for free. Then go inside and just ask them to come outside and read your check engine light. Once they've done that and they've printed off what it is, go and buy you a roll of black electrical tape. Once you get back out to your vehicle, what you're going to do is rip off about a 1-inch piece of electrical tape and stick it right on your dash. And then remind yourself that a problem you don't see is a problem you can avoid. And that is how you solve a check engine light with a piece of electrical tape. Thank you for watching this episode of Jake's Speed Shop. Remember to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below.